As a professional construction machinery vehicles supplier, Autoking provides top-tier used and rebuilt excavators to customers in demand worldwide. This is our cooperative factory of rebuilt excavators. We'll break down the excavator into its primary parts and systems, resulting in complete disassembly and a bare frame. The parts and hardware are then sandblasted clean for inspection, and the frame is examined. During the inspection, every part, component, system, and bolt is inspected. The entire articulation system is inspected for damage or misalignments. Every piece of the hydraulic system is individually inspected, from the smallest fitting to the valves and cylinders. The engine is either rebuilt or replaced, and the transmission is rebuilt. Anything that could have questionable usability guidelines is automatically replaced with a new component. Finally, all components are replaced in the excavator to the factory specifications. This leaves an excavator that is nearly indistinguishable from a new one but at a fraction of the cost. Countless industries and projects require excavators, but buying them brand new can mean borrowing considerable sums, which is where buying used and rebuilt excavators can save your organization massive amounts of money both in purchase cost as well as potential interest on borrowed funds for financing. If you have been shopping around for excavators, keep in mind that Autoking provides the best rebuilds on the market, and they only cost a fraction of a new one. Contact us to discuss used and rebuilt excavators for your project.